I pour water into the glass. I stir the soup in the pot. I cut the vegetables with a knife. I fry the eggs in the pan. I boil the rice in the cooker. I add salt to the curry. I mix the flour with water. I peel the potatoes with a peeler. I chop the onions into small pieces. I wash the dishes in the sink. I sweep the floor with a broom. I mop the floor with a wet cloth. I dust the furniture with a cloth. I fold the clothes after drying. I hang the wet clothes on the line. I water the plants in the garden. I open the window in the morning. I close the door at night. I turn on the fan when it is hot. I turn off the light before sleeping. I brush my teeth twice a day. I wash my face with cold water. I take a shower every morning. I comb my hair after bathing. I apply oil to my hair. I cut my nails once a week. I put on my glasses to read. I remove my makeup at night. I eat my breakfast at 8 o'clock. I drink a glass of milk every night. I chew my food slowly. I share my lunch with my friend. I listen to music on my phone. I watch TV in the evening. I set the alarm before going to bed.